The FDA has approved a new drug to help fight obesity. The injection drug is called Zepbound, and it's got the same ingredients as a diabetes drug used off-label to lose weight, since it was approved in May of last year. It's from drug maker Eli Lilly, and it's for weight management in adults with obesity who also have a weight-related health condition, something like diabetes or high blood pressure. The drug maker says that adults who took the new drug at its highest dose lost an average of 48 pounds in clinical trials. According to the CDC, more than 10 times as many Americans have died prematurely from smoking cigarettes than have died in all of the wars ever fought by the United States.
Well, now the American Cancer Society's Great Smokeout event is just around the corner, and medical experts are sharing the health and financial benefits smokers can gain if they ditch the cigarettes.
Fox News correspondent Jackie Ibanez takes a closer look.
Cigarette smoking is a leading cause of preventable death, according to the CDC, resulting in more than 480,000 deaths in the U.S. every year. And while the latest CDC data reveals cigarette smoking hit historic lows last year, with 1 in 9 adults, about 11% reporting they were current smokers. Medical experts say it's not too late for those who have yet to quit to save their lungs.
Someone who quits smoking within 15 years reduces their risk of lung cancer by 50% or more compared to someone who kept on smoking.
Smokers can also start reaping a number of other health benefits soon after they abandon the vice.
Within 1 to 9 months of quitting smoking, people see increased improvement in their lung functions, and that translates to your stamina, it translates to just the use of your respiratory system. Within 1 year of quitting smoking, you reduce your risk of coronary artery disease.
The reduced risks mean former smokers may have fewer doctor visits because of their improving health, resulting in less money being spent on medical care, especially when smokers pay higher insurance premiums. But that's not all.
If on the average you spend about $7 a day to buy cigarettes and you quit smoking, in a year you're going to save maybe almost $3,000. That's huge.
Quitting can be hard, but besides free online services and guides, there's medication and behavioral therapy options as well. November 16th marks the Great American Smokeout, an annual event by the American Cancer Society, encouraging people to seek support to help them quit. I'm Jackie Ibanez, Fox News.